Now we are going to discuss exercise 4.5. In exercise 4.5, the question is to find adjoint of each of the matrices in this first and second. So the question is to find adjoint. How to find the adjoint of a matrix? We can think about it. We will be studied minor cofactor. So by finding the cofactor of each elements, we can go for finding adjoint. Adjoint is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Transpose of the cofactor matrix. So we have to find cofactor matrix. How to get a cofactor matrix? By getting the minor, we can change into cofactor. So first we can take the question. Here the question 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, we can find the cofactor of each element. This element is in the position A11. So here the cofactor we can assign it as capital letter A11. According to the position minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. M11 means the first element. This including column and rows can be deleted. Then there will be the element 4 alone. Once again, we are going to find the first position of the cofactor. So cofactor of this element means just delete the column and row where this element includes. Then we get this 4 alone, that is the value M11. And here minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So minus 1 square means minus 1 square is equal to, we know that plus 1. So 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Similarly, the second position, that is known as A12, where minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, M12, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 means it will be minus 1 into M12. M12 means first row, second column, this point. This including row and column is deleted, then 3 will be there. So 3 is the answer here. Minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. Now we can find A21. Similar way we can find M21, which is equal to minus 1 into, here M21, this is that element. This including row and column is avoided, we get 2. So here the answer is minus 2. Similarly, we can find the last cofactor A22. A22 is equal to this element. This including row and column is avoided, we get this one. So here minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22. M means minor. So minus 1 raised to 4 plus 1. 1 into M22 means this position. So this column and row is avoided. 1 is the answer. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So we get a cofactor matrix. The cofactor matrix is first position A11 is equal to 4, A12 is equal to minus 3, A21 is equal to minus 2, A22 is equal to 1. This is cofactor matrix. And we said adjoint means a transpose of cofactor matrix. Therefore, adjoint, we can give name to this as A. Then adjoint A is equal to, we can write 4 minus 3. That rows will change as columns, rows will change as columns will change as rows. So minus 2, 1. This is the adjoint of A. Now we can go to discuss the second question. The second question is, it is that the matrix 1 minus 1 2 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1. In this matrix we need to find the adjoint. So can we find? Yes. So we have to recall adjoint means transpose of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix means it is getting from minors. So first we can think about each minor and later we can change into cofactor. Or directly we can find the cofactor of each element. A11 is the cofactor of first element. So this element into, before that its position is required, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. This 1 is getting from this position. Okay. Yes. Into, we can select this by avoiding these two. We get here 3 into 1 and this. So we get 3 5 0 1. So the answer is, what's the answer? This 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 square means it is plus 1. So 1 into 3 into 1 3, 0 into 5 0, 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0 3, 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So the first element is 3. Now we can go to find the second element. Second element, it is denoted by A1 2, first row second column, this element. This element minus 1, this position is 1 2, so we have to write minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Then this column and this row can be avoided because that including minus 1. Other than this 2 minus 2, 5 1 is there. 2 minus 2, 5 1. Now we can find the solution. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 means 3. If it is odd number, negative will be there. So minus 1 into 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10, but here minus is there, so minus 10, which is equal to 2 minus minus means plus. 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. Minus 1 into 12 minus 12. Okay. Now we are going to discuss A13. A13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. A13 means this 1 for first row, 3 third column. This is first row, this is third column. So this element. By avoiding this column and this row, we get a 2 3 minus 2 0. 2 3 minus 2 0. So this minus 1 raised to 4, minus 1 raised to 4. 4 means even number, so it will not be negative, it will be positive. Into 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 3, 6. But minus 6 it is. Which is equal to 0 minus 1 is plus. So plus 6. 1 into 6, 6. Now we can go to find A14, which is equal to here not 1 4, next row. 1 4 means fourth column is there? No, there is no fourth column, so it will not come. Now we can come to next element is this position, what? A21, A21. So we can write A21 is equal to A21 is equal to A21. What is the element on A21? Here 2 is there. So this including column and row will be avoided. Then minus 1 2 0 1. Before that we want to write the position minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into, which we avoid this column and this row. So minus 1 2 and 0 1, which is equal to here 3. 3 is a odd number, so negative will be there. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1, then 0 into minus 2 0. So here minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 is the answer. Now we can go to next position. Next position it is that 3. So this 3 including rows and column is avoided. We get 1 2 minus 2 1. So next position a 2 2 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. What are the elements we get? 1 2 minus 2 1, because this 3 including column and row will be eliminated. So we get 1 2 and minus 2 1. This is plus 1 1 into 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, minus 4, which is equal to 1 plus 5. So 5 is the answer. Next a 2 3, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 3, 2 3 means this is that position, second row third column. So 1 minus 1 minus 2 0 will be there. 1 minus 1 minus 2 0, which is equal to minus 1 into 1 into 0 0, minus into minus plus 1 into 2 2. So we get minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to plus 2. Now we are going to find after a23. a23 is this. Now a31. a31 is equal to, if it is possible by looking we can do it, but after practicing only it will be easy. This is a31. So just 31 means 3 and 1 are the position. 3 and 1 means positive is the answer. So plus 1 into that we can write. Now 3 1. 3 1 means this position. This position column and row is avoided. This will be the element. We know that minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So minus 5 minus 6 will be there. Minus 5 minus 6, which is equal to minus 11. Now next position a32. a32 means it will be negative, because 3 plus 2 is 5. Odd number means negative. Minus 1 into a32 means this is that position. This row and column is avoided. Then 1 2 2 5 will be there. 1 into 5 is 5. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So here it will be 1. So the answer will be minus 1. Now last element a33 is equal to, a33 means 3 plus 3 is positive. So this is that element. This column and row will be eliminated. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus, and this minus also coming means 3 plus. 2 ones are 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 5 is the answer. Now these all elements we can write in the matrix form. So it will be the cofactor matrix. Therefore cofactor matrix is equal to the a11. First we got a11 is equal to 3 minus 12 6. So we can write it 3 minus 12 6. Then we got 1 5 2. Then we got minus 11 minus 1 5. This is cofactor matrix. Now very easy to find adjoint of this matrix. Adjoint matrix is equal to the transpose of this. So first column will become first row. 3 1 minus 11 minus 12 5 minus 1 6 2 5. This is the adjoint matrix. So okay, thank you.